Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This weekend, under the guidance of Conservator Quetta, Mr. Niaz Khan Kakad, we embarked on a transformative journey along main Samungli Road, Quetta. What was once a heap of garbage is now a flourishing green space. Thanks to the tireless efforts of our dedicated team, especially Sayyid Jalil Agha, the community development specialist, and Mr. Fawad and Mr. Riaz for provision of plants. For 3 days continuously, we worked with passion and purpose, clearing the waste and breathing new life into the soil with fresh plants. Today, the area stands renewed, clean, vibrant, and full of hope. Join us in supporting the Baluchistan Forest and Wildlife Department as we contribute to make Quetta greener and healthier for all. Together, we can create a brighter future.